So now we're on, no, I'm not gonna say so we're on site. Boop, retake that up. We're at the Clubhouse here at Velo Village, and I wanted to take you on a tour around the whole space and talk through some of the design concepts that we had going into the look of this building. We really wanted something that when you walk into the Clubhouse draws your attention to the concierge desk, and something that's really like uplifting and vibrant, but still kind of moody. And we're going with that masculine look in here as well. What you see when you first walk in is that octagon floor tile, and it draws your eye right up that concierge desk, right to the wooden V that you see there with the big Velo Village logo. The Clubhouse itself, in the living area, we wanted it to feel moody, but still cozy and fun and funky, taking off of that concept from the model unit where we use texture on the upholstery pieces and used prints. So instead of using a print on the sofa this time, we actually use prints in our counter stools, on some of the side chairs that you'll see in the space, and again, also a print on the rug. Hiding dirt is the best thing for spaces that are full of traffic. And in this space as well, we also use blues as our palette throughout as a thread. So we're tying those tones in from the model, but also keeping it like youthful and active and fun. So you get the pops of those vibrant colors from the pillows. Everything else is pretty moody and subtle. Walking out of this room, you'll actually go down a hallway and out to the wonderful living space outside. It's kind of that outside-in feel again. We have a two-sided fireplace here, so you can enjoy it on the inside as well on the back side, with some lounge area out there. I did pair a couple dining tables outside for gatherings, for fun, and around the pool deck there are a bunch of different layouts. So we have a layout for casual hangout spaces, some dining spaces, but also just your typical way to use a pool. There's chaise lounges, there's actually built-in lounges in the pool deck area. A really unique element of this Clubhouse that we wanted to bring in is some really cool wallpaper effect, and where we use those is actually in places that are unexpected. So the bathrooms here are full of wallpaper, and also the pet spa area has a really great wallpaper as well. So when you come and do your tour, take a look at those bathrooms. They're wonderful, they're vibrant and full of color. Outside the pool deck area, there is an outdoor grill. So I think that helps to just create this gathering, this sense of community out there, letting you just live in this space. And that's the whole concept of what we're trying to design here. In the Clubhouse, we wanted to do a focal wall, and while at the model unit, we used the focal wall to be those huge panels, just full of color and artwork. This time we actually used a bunch of handlebars, all like vintage, some new ones, some really cool and collected pieces, and we used them as our focal wall. And so we have a whole wall full of handlebars here that really feeds off of that Velo vibe, but I think it's just a fun way to accent a space. So all in all, the concept here at Velo Village was really trying to play off of that active lifestyle in both the Clubhouse and the model unit. And so I hope you guys have a chance to come down and take a look at these spaces and walk through some of these units, and then take a look at outside in the pool space. I think it's just a great gathering location for you and your friends.